What will you learn in a PSYCH-K workshop? The use of PSYCH-K in our daily lives helps us be more present, more at peace, and to live with more joy. PSYCH-K is like a good friend that supports us in our intention to grow, to be better human beings, and in our self-realization journey. The PSYCH-K Basic Workshop and the Online Level 1 Workshop are the foundation of everything in PSYCH-K. They are transformative and profound workshops with which you start your journey of self-realization and self-knowledge. They are not informative or superficial workshops. These are essential. In these workshops, you will learn to communicate with the subconscious mind through muscle testing. Also, the processes needed to reprogram limiting beliefs and perceptions at the subconscious level of mind. You will also learn how to design the new programs that you will give to your subconscious mind and how to transform the perception of stress originated by traumas, phobias, fears, or anxiety. All of this is the basis for applying PSYCH-K in your daily life and being the peace you seek in the world. To take a PSYCH-K workshop, you only need 3 things. Be ready to take responsibility for your own transformation, to go from victim mode to empowered mode. Second, know how to read and how to count in order to be able to follow the simple instructions that the instructor will provide you with. And third, have the ability to use the muscles of your hands and arms to perform muscle testing, which is the way we communicate with the subconscious.